school bathroom stall.
Every school has one bathroom stall people avoid.
In a high school in Brazil, it was the last stall on the left. Students said the lock would click shut by itself. Lights would flicker, and sometimes you'd see 2 pairs of shoes under the door instead of 1. In 2010, a girl went missing during lunch. They searched the whole building.
Nothing.
The only strange thing? Fresh, wet footprints leading from the last stall straight up the bathroom wall to the ceiling.
And then, nowhere.
The stall has been out of order ever since. The door still rattles like someone wants out. Would you use it alone? Comment below.